Okay, so what defines the best garage floor coating? This is really, really important. So first of all, it's a mechanical grind to the concrete.
Yes.
Second is you have to be using a moisture-tolerant epoxy primer. Okay, that's day one.
That is a big one. We have had to learn over the years. I mean, in 2008 when we started, that wasn't always the case. We would put a reading on each floor and kind of run the numbers. Now it is our standard. It must be that on every floor.
Correct.
No exceptions.
And we warrant against any sort of moisture.
That's the reason we warrant.
Exactly. And which is the number one cause of coating failure is moisture-related issues.
Yeah.
So when you're doing a one-day coating system, you're not getting that protection. And that's why they don't list it in the warranty either. So then once the chips are broadcasted, on top of that is two 100% solids polyspartic top coats. The reason for this is the absolute, an extreme durability. So you don't get like permanent tire staining. Permanent tire staining is actually called plasticizer migration. It's a chemical reaction that happens with the coating. This is why we use 100% solids. And the thing is that we warrant against that also, which if you get a one-day coating system, you're not going to be warranted or protected in the warranty against tire staining. So you're going to spend a good amount of money on this type of garage floor coating. And the last thing you want is it looking like garbage in 2 years down the line, right? So so we protect the consumer against all of that.
I think another element to the polyaspartic top coat is the UV resistance. I think sometimes that UV resistance is a big one as to why people have a negative opinion of epoxy. Some of the garage floors from 20 years ago would turn amber, especially where the door would be open and where things would lean in. And so that doesn't happen with that polyaspartic. It stays crisp and even throughout.
Right. So for instance, when you do a multi-layer garage floor coating, meaning the moisture mitigating epoxy and with the two 100% solids polyaspartic top coats, you're going to get decades out of this, and it's always going to look beautiful. And if you do have any issues whatsoever, whether it be staining due to plasticizer migration, which is permanent tire staining, or any moisture-related issues, you are 100% protected.
Correct.